Welcome to Mobiles Talk. Today we're reviewing the OnePlus 12R, the latest mid-range beast that's raising eyebrows with its flagship-level power. Is this the best performance phone under budget? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The OnePlus 12R features a metal frame with a curved glass back, giving it a premium in-hand feel. Available in iron gray and cool blue, it's sleek, sturdy, and well-balanced. The alert slider makes a comeback, and yes, it has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front. Display. You're getting a 6.78-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display with 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It peaks at 4500 nits brightness. That's insanely bright for outdoor use. It's smooth, crisp, and definitely among the best in this segment. Performance. This phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with up to 16GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or rendering videos, the OnePlus 12R is a powerhouse. Runs on OxygenOS 14 on top of Android 14, clean, fast, and responsive. Camera. You get a 50MP Sony IMX892 sensor, 8MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro. Daylight shots are sharp. Low-light photography is surprisingly good with nightscape. The 16MP selfie camera does a solid job too. Not groundbreaking, but very reliable. Battery and charging. The 12R packs a 5500 mAh battery with 100 WAU Super VOOC charging. You'll get 100% charge in under 30 minutes. And yes, the charger is in the box. You also get stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, 5G support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. No wireless charging, but IP64 splash resistance is a bonus at this price. So is the OnePlus 12R the king of mid-range performance? With its flagship specs, insane display, ultra-fast charging, and clean software, it's hard not to recommend it.